Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If today is your first time of watching any of my videos, I welcome you and thank you for watching this video. So this bit of information I'm going to be sharing with you today was not postulated by me. I didn't even research on it, but I learned it from a group where I'm part of, like a women's group where you can learn from anybody. Trust me, you don't even know the kind of information that is out there. There are some things that you think you know, but people know a lot more than you do, so you just have to learn from people, right? So this information is for those in particular, for mothers who are trying to get rid of diaper rash in their babies. And the woman just came and mentioned something. I had never heard about it, I had never tried it, but she told people to do it, and a lot of people came back with testimonies that their babies didn't have diaper rash anymore. Like, diaper rash went off in 24 hours. Diaper rash is something that I've treated in my own baby, and it's something that I couldn't even stand, where the baby's butt is kind of like very reddish, has all those rashes, and it's extremely painful. You can even feel the pain for the baby, especially when the baby is still a little bit small or less than 3 months. It's something that you don't want to do or treat in your babies at all. But sometimes this happens, then what do? You can't just leave it, you've got to treat it. Apart from using diaper rash cream, at that point you might not be able to use some diaper rash creams because it can be more irritating to the baby's skin and it can be sensitive to the baby's skin at that point. So this woman said that what she does is to use cooking or all-purpose flour. This kind of white flour. This is where I usually put my own flour into this jar. This is the kind of flour that you can use for pastries, for pizza dough. The flour that we use for pastries normally, that you mix and you use for your buns, your pastries, your meat pie, your sausages. This kind of flour, the all-purpose flour, that's what you use. So simply what she does is take some quantity of this all-purpose flour and put some into a pan, as if you just want to dry it a little bit further. No water, no sugar, no salt, nothing. Just put it into a dry pan and try to make it a bit more drier, like you're trying to roast it or something. In the process it can get a little bit brown, but that's totally fine. And please, when you're making it in the pan, don't make it get burnt, don't make it too brown. Just 2 minutes, it's okay. It's just like as if you're trying to further reinforce the compounds it has for the flour to work. So when you do this for 2 minutes, set it aside and let it cool. Please don't apply the hot stuff on your baby's butt, because that is going to make it so worse. Just set it aside and make it cool. When it is cool, that is when you can now, so it's just like powder. It's just like you applying normal powder on your baby's butt or something, but that is not powder, that is flour. So you apply that on the baby's butt, everywhere where the diaper rash has been formed, and you cover it with a diaper. If you don't want to cover with a diaper, you can leave it. Some people leave as much as possible if you can take care of the mess. Some people leave their babies without diapers for that time, so that the place is well aerated and you don't have bacteria forming again because of the moisture that the diaper gives. So it depends on you. You can cover with a diaper, you might not cover with a diaper, depending on the kind of mess that your baby might make. But after doing that, do this continuously. At that point, you have to change the baby's diaper continuously. Don't just use 1 or 2 diapers in a day and that's all. At that moment, your baby needs to have less moisture as much as possible. So when the baby pees, please take off the diaper and replace with another one. As you replace, instead of you using the diaper cream, keep using the flour all over your baby's bum, so that you are ensure that it's taking care of the diaper rash. In 24 hours, maximum of 48 hours, you will see that this has been taken care of and your baby's skin is becoming as new as it was before, like real baby's skin. So this is the bit of information I have for you. People tried it, like I said, it was shared in a forum where I'm part of, and a lot of mothers have come back to testify that they tried it and it really worked for their babies. They didn't have to use any other kind of antibacterial or antiseptic thing. The all-purpose flour just worked to take care of diaper rash. So if you know any mother out there, you know anybody out there, not just mothers, you don't know a caregiver, a guardian that is taking care of a baby that needs to get this sorted, please share this with them. I'm sure they're going to enjoy this bit of information and they're going to get great benefits from it. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please use this opportunity to subscribe for similar videos like this. There are many more videos coming your way. Also click the notification bell just right beside the subscribe button, because that alerts you of when new videos drop on this channel. I hope to see you next time. Just stay beautiful. Bye.